Okay, now work out. So we have to use that formula. See, no way we can't. Any other method is available. It's not advisable. Better to go for the formulas what we have. So the car A will accelerate from west, and the car B is that one. So what are the things like after what time? Find the time at which they will meet. There's a thing that we ask. Find the time at which they'll meet. This sentence is very important. Let's see that what length of the road the car A should move to catch that car B. Directly I'll go for the formula here. What is the formula? SAB. You do have plenty of numericals based on this. See, wait for, no, don't give answers immediately. I'm still explaining question. Huh? Just have patience. Wait, that one. So SAB is equal to SAB final, or you can also write this as SBA final. See, it's left to you. So some students are like, sir, SBA final minus SBA initial. Anything it's left to you. Huh? So there's nothing rule that it should be like this only. So as we know, I'll proceed like this: SBA final minus SBA initial equal to UAB T plus AB T square by 2. No. Final separation, this will be 0. SA bar minus SB bar. Initial position, UA bar minus UB bar. Substitute all the values. So substituting this will be 0. Where is the car A at T equals 0 at origin? Car B ahead of this. So towards right, let me take positive. So this will be plus 10. Equal to initial velocity of car A, 0. Initial velocity of car B, plus 20. Acceleration of car A, plus 2. Car B, acceleration of car B, 0. T square. So this will become minus of minus, this will be plus 10 equal to minus 20t. 2 minus 0 will be 2, 2 divided by 2, this will be only t square. It's a quadratic equation. T square minus 20t minus 10 equal to 0. Anybody answer no?
Sir, 20.5 seconds nearly.
20.5 seconds, sir. .5 seconds. 2 times will come, no?
1 is negative, sir.
Okay, give that negative value also.
Sir, 10 plus or minus root 110.
10 plus or minus root
110, sir.
110 seconds. So I should go for the positive time only. Negative time is not defined, no? 20.1 second. Huh?
20.48 seconds, sir.
5 seconds.
I'll make it 5. Yeah. Okay, this will be our answer. What does it mean? 20.5. Everything will be visible. I think font size, no problem.
No problem.
Okay, now you can see here all. Yeah. After 20.5 seconds, car A will catch car B. This was the condition. So here I'll show that what is actually happens here. So this is the car B. it will continue to move with that velocity, and the car A will be here. So once you learn the method, it will be very easy. So it will be VA. So at this particular position is what the car is. So what is this time? 20.5 seconds. What length of the road the car A has to cover to catch car B? So can we calculate that? X equal to acceleration of car A, t square by 2. Is that okay? What length of the road the car A has to cover to cross the car B? Means is asking that one. So this you can apply it and work out here. So acceleration of car A 2 is there. So 2 into 2, 20.5 whole square. Let's see this particular formula. Now, shall I ask you one more, like after what time the car A will be ahead of car A by 100 meter? So tell me what you are going to do here. So definitely after some time, where happened the car A will overtake car B, no? And will come here. I'll just continue, just view this. I'll continue the problem. Rather than asking many questions, no, let me just analyze here only. So there's the initial situation. After what time the car A will be ahead of car B by how much distance? Say 100 meter will take it, or 200, or anything, some finite distance. Shall I continue here only? Find the time after which, so here only, calculate. I'll add up question here only. You see, there's a first case, second case. I think it will be, I'll take you to. Find the time at which car A is ahead of car B by, say, 20 meter. After what time? This is the second part of the problem. What changes you are going to make it? It's all about how you are going to use that equation. So what should be the diagram? The diagram, so here is what the car B will be here. Car A will be ahead of. So that was the condition that was given for us. It will have some velocity. You can call it as V2 something. So what is the distance given for us? 20 meter. This particular time is what we have to calculate, T2. You have everything in front of you. So what to do here? So what changes you are going to make it? Again, the same set of formula we are going to take help of. I'll write it here only. It will be easy for you. Now, what shall I do? Again, the formula. SAB final, SAB initial, UAB T, SAB final. The car A should be ahead of car B. So here I'll split up so that you can feel very convenient. So if you are getting confusion, take help of basic mathematics here. So you have to substitute all with sign. See, 2-3 problems when you do, you'll get an exact picture. Oh, this is what I should manage things like this. Okay, no. Looking at the diagram, substitute. What is finally at what position the car A will be? You call this distance x2. The whole situation is there in the one diagram. Please do make observation. Now, what is the position of car A? 20 minus 20 plus x2, no? You do write like this. And what is the position of car B? x2. So if you want, so SAB, SA final minus SB final. So what that should be equal to? Shall I write plus 20? In books directly they wrote, some of students, they do get confused, sir, like how come plus 20 what you're writing? So if you go for, there's the initial first part of the problem. So let me put all the things clearly. Okay, the first part of the bracket. Next, SA initial, it will be 0, no? And finally, what happened? The car A was ahead of car B by how much? 10 meter. Is equal to initial velocity of car A, 0. That of car B.
Sir, finally it is 20 meter ahead.
20. Okay, fine, no? Correct, no?
Here you have 0 minus of plus 10 now, sir.
I think you look at this left-hand bracket. I'm substituting this formula, no? Finally, what happened? The car at what position from the origin? 20 plus x2. And what about car B? At a distance x, position x2. X2 will get cancelled.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
See, rather than forcing you to formula, like a formula, because different cases will come. Now, whatever the case, whatever the situation, there's a very general, you can manage, I feel. Rather than making a guess of things, no, systematically, substitute all things in order, you'll get the answer. Acceleration of car A. So what is the acceleration of car A will be plus 2. Anything directed towards left? It should be positive, no? So this will be 0. T2, okay, T only, later on we'll write it. So 20, this will become 20 minus of minus, this will be plus. This will be minus 20t. This will be 2 minus 0, so this will be t square. So solve for this quadratic equation, you'll get the required answer. Anybody value? This, what we're doing is second part of the problem.
Sir, 10 plus or minus root 130.
10 plus or minus root 120, yeah?
130, sir.
130. I think 10 21.4. 21.4. So you see how the troublesome questions for you in exam. Find the time interval between when car A crosses car B and when becomes car A when becomes ahead of car B by 20 meter, means he's asking T2 minus T1. He's asking T2 minus T. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
These are the ways in which they trouble you. Plenty of questions are there. Students will get confused. So this is a generalized formula. It's over. Now, any problem I'm doing, so today what you learned, sir taught only one formula. That's all. You do 100 problems again, this is the only formula which I'll be using.